So we've rented a boat for a few days. It's called Konstantinos 3, which is also my name. And we're ready to rumble.
Good maneuver, guys. Very good maneuver. Very good. Very good. And we're clear. Hey. It's a beautiful day for it.
Μονή. Πέρδικα Αγκίστρια. Now Methana, only a port, the port is here and you have to go from the other side.
Nice.
You took This is illegal.
Yeah. You got to pay extra for that.
Yeah. There's anchor for swimming, not to stay at night. It's not good. It's not good to stay at night here.
How's dinner coming along? Ooh la la. Smells delicious. What did I put in it?
Yeah, what did you put in it? Tell me the ingredients.
Bit of nutmeg and cinnamon actually. We are here in this bay. The wind is coming from this direction and we want to go possibly here.
That's handy.
Yeah. Here is eyes peeled.
Dolphins.
The dolphins, exactly. Just on the way to Epheia Temple. Been climbing uphill. It was very sweaty. Very sweaty. Cam and Jamie are topless.
Very sweaty.
Look how oily and muscly Cam's back in. Wow. Ooh la la.
Oh la la.
And Jamie's got
It looks like he's had some really
sexy slash on it. Yeah. Naughty. Ooh la la. So we've just arrived at the temple of Epheia, which is just up there. We're really looking forward to going and seeing what it has to offer. Right, so we're on our way up to the top of the temple to see what sights it has to offer. One of the most complete temples in Neolithic temple. Did I make that up? It's a something temple of 600 to 500 BC. I have one vodka coke, please.
Oh, are you going through it?
Yeah.
So we've made it back to the boat. Thank you, Aegina. Yes, Marina. Good fun. What are we going to do next, Jamie?
I'm cooking some chicken.
Jamie's cooking some chicken.
Chicken!
Oh.
You're an artist, Costas.
Thank you.
You're an artist.
We got to fix it straight before it is too late. We gotta have a party.
I might swim in a bit.
Yeah, I'll definitely swim.
I'm a shower.
I'd like to not get like absolutely obliterated tonight. Like we did. I mean,
I didn't.
Yeah, you did, mate. You had
your head was on the table.
Yeah,
Costas is getting drunk.
Yeah, yeah.